Hi, my name is Ali Hernandez, and the topic of my presentation is how to extend the economic life of the gas lift method in a field where the reservoir pressure is constantly decreasing. First, I'm going to give a brief introduction to explain what the problem is. Then I'm going to explain what I mean by first stage optimization, where no workover is required, followed by a presentation of several alternative completions that can be used to increase the efficiency of the gas lift method. I'm going to say a few things about automation, control, and data acquisition. We might feel that because the wells are not producing as much as they used to, we shouldn't spend any money on automation, but it's actually quite the opposite. I'm going to also talk about surface facility because this is all about adapting to a new reality. And then I'm going to wrap up the presentation with some conclusions.